Welcome to our channel. Did you know that incorporating olive oil and garlic into your diet could help you live up to 100 years? Stay tuned to discover the science behind these natural wonders. History and cultural significance. Olive oil. Mention its importance in Mediterranean cultures, known for longevity. Ancient Greeks and Romans revered olive oil as liquid gold. Garlic. Highlight its use in traditional medicine across various cultures, from ancient Egypt to traditional Chinese medicine. 3. Nutritional profile. Olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols. Garlic. Contains allicin, sulfur compounds, vitamins B6 and C, and trace minerals like manganese. 4. Scientific studies and benefits. Cardiovascular health. Olive oil. A 2013 study published in the New England Journal of Medicine showed that a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil reduced the risk of major cardiovascular events by 30%. Garlic. Research in the Journal of Nutrition, 2006, demonstrated that garlic supplementation can reduce cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil. The polyphenols in olive oil, such as oleocanthal, have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects similar to ibuprofen. Garlic. Studies indicate that garlic can reduce inflammation markers in the body, helping in conditions like arthritis. Antioxidant effects. Olive oil, high in antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Garlic contains antioxidants that support the body's protective mechanisms against oxidative damage. Cancer prevention. Olive oil. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and oleic acid in olive oil can reduce the risk of certain cancers. Garlic. Compounds in garlic have been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in laboratory settings. Cognitive function. Olive oil. Consumption of extra virgin olive oil has been linked to better brain function and a lower risk of cognitive decline. Garlic. Research suggests that garlic's antioxidants may help protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Digestive Health. Olive oil promotes a healthy digestive system and can protect against stomach ulcers. Garlic acts as a prebiotic, supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Immune system boost. Olive oil. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can strengthen the immune system. Garlic, known for its immune-boosting properties, especially in fighting colds and infections. Longevity. Olive oil. Populations with high olive oil consumption, like those in the Mediterranean, often have higher life expectancies. Garlic. Regular consumption of garlic has been associated with increased lifespan in several observational studies. Weight management. Olive oil. Healthy fats in olive oil can help with weight control by increasing satiety. Garlic may help regulate blood sugar levels, supporting weight management. Bone health. Olive oil. Some studies suggest olive oil can improve bone mineral density. Garlic, rich in nutrients that are essential for maintaining bone health. 5. How to incorporate olive oil and garlic into your diet. Olive oil, use in salad dressings, cooking, or as a finishing oil on dishes. Garlic, add to soups, stews, marinades, and dressings. Raw garlic can be added to salads or used as a garnish. We hope you found these insights on the benefits of olive oil and garlic fascinating and inspiring. If you're looking to add these superfoods to your diet, let us know how it goes. Don't forget to. From these incredible natural foods, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us about your experiences with olive oil and garlic. Have you noticed any positive changes in your health? Do you have any favorite recipes or tips for incorporating these foods into your meals? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.